of my dear audience to Neopeep, and this is not a joke coin, it's a serious meme coin movement, guys. And here I will talk about our pre-sale, our tokenomics, our white paper, and also about how you can join here. So I have placed all of the links in my video description, guys. So guys, you have to check this is revolution, so you have to join this meme coin for freedom. And guys, we have divided our pre-sale in different stages, and at first stage our new PIP price is, you can see that 0.05423, and we are basically on, guys, you have to select currency which you want to put, like Ethereum, BNB, base, and you have to pay this, and then you can receive your Neopeep in your wallet. Firstly, you have to just connect your wallet, and which wallet, like Trust, Zerion, MetaMask, Phantom, and after that you have to just put your amount, like in Ethereum, BNB, or which currency you have in your wallet, and then guys you have to put there, and then you can receive here. So what is basically Neopeep? That is another crypto token, guys. That's a movement for genuine financial freedom, and it is totally a disruption of crypto landscape, and here you have to join. And Neopeep revolution, as you can check out our design to dominate, our unmatched innovations. And guys, we are certified. Here you can check out our smart contracts that is added by Cyberscope, CoinCerts, and Certix, and these are our partners. And as I tell you how you have to buy, there are very easy and simple method, guys. In step 1, as I tell you, you have to simply connect your wallet like MetaMask or Trust wallet, and then you have to select your network like Ethereum or Base Chain or Binance Smart. It's on to you. Then you have to choose your currency, you have to put how much you want to buy, then you have to click on confirm, and you can receive. So here is guys our security which you can check, and our audit, as I tell you, you have to know, don't worry about. And here is now our tokenomics details. We are totally transparent, and it's a symbol of rebellion in the crypto world. And here you can see that our total supply, that is 1 billion, and you can also check out about liquidity, about marketing, that is 25%, ecosystem, and for pre-sale is 45%, and development. So guys, as you know that I always tell you, if you have any platform, you must read there, check out their roadmap from joining, because it gets all of the development about future, past, and then you can read our roadmap. And here you can see that these are our partners, our media that are supporting us, and we will do soon listing on all of the famous exchanges. That is, you can see that on Cointelegraph, investing.com, Forbes, News, and so you have to stay connected with all of the communities. Like here you can see that this is our Telegram community, this is our official group where you have to join for our latest news and announcement. You have to mustly join our follow, like, comment, retweet on our Twitter official account, guys. And here you have to also check out our very beautiful logos of Neopeep, and you can here, this is very awesome, guys. And so you have to stay connected for further updates at my channel. And I am, once again, I'm saying that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your end profit or loss. So see you next video. Thanks for watching.